I'm Zack Krieger. I'm a system design specialist and I'm from Caledonia, Michigan. So in my role as system design specialist, I'm traveling to people's homes all across the state of Michigan, helping them diagnose the issues that are going on in their homes and ultimately coming up with a permanent solution so they never have to worry about these problems again. I've also worked in other aspects of the company, such as our production department, our service department, and I'm part of our 8-person management team as well. I would say the thing that I enjoy most about being a system design specialist is just meeting new people all the time. If you know me at Ayers, I like to talk a lot, and so being with people in their home every day helping fix these issues is something that I just love to do. I would say the most memorable moment, it's not just one, it's actually, I've been here for 10 years, so seeing people grow within the organization. There's a couple people that I hired over 5 years ago that have grown through the ranks of foreman, production manager, and have also come over to the sales team. So just to see people start somewhere, but then also climb the ladder has just been really awesome for me. So I just recently got engaged on Christmas Day, so I'm really excited about that. We kind of have a zoo at home. We've got 3 cats and a chihuahua, so kind of funny. The dog's the smallest animal in the house. But yeah, most of our family lives right in Caledonia, so we're surrounded by the people we care about the most and just have a fun time doing it. Our biggest thing at Ayers is purpose, and it's really taken a hold on our company. And I'm just really proud to be part of an organization that cares as much about its employees as it does about its customers. So I'm just a proud member of the Ayers family.